Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing us how to make some cool cash from this site. Okay, so if I have not been dropping video always, that's why I do suggest to join our community group where I do drop updates back to back. Okay, so what the link to my community channel will be at the description below. So without wasting much time, let's dive into this video. Okay, so this platform was newly launched. Okay, was launched yesterday, and I partake in it. And right now, I'll be testing this platform. Okay, so I urge us to start immediately. Okay, so right now, as you can see, my balance here is 0, 0, 0, 0. Everything is 0. That's how it shows once you sign up for a new account. So the sign up link for this account will be at the description. That's the first link at the description. Just click on it and create an account for yourself, because that's the first thing you'll be needing to do to get paid in this site. So once you click the link, you'll be seeing something like this. Just click on this close, or you have to get it off. Okay, so right now I'm going to show us how to sign into this account. Okay, so just click on once you click the link, you'll be seeing something like this, where you have to fill in your details, your number. Click on this icon here to put it in Nigerian code, which is +23 4. Okay, so put your number, your password, you repeat your password. There'll be a invitation code here. Just click that code so to be able to earn $105 from this site for free. So now I'll show you how to activate it. So make sure you leave the code there, then put your email, because they'll be sending you an invitation code. You understand? So once you type your email here, click on get. The code will be sending to you in your email. You click it and you then sign up instantly. So right now I have an account with them. I'll just go ahead to fill in my details right now. So I'll say for example process to choose my country code, which is Nigeria. So right now I'm in N, so I'll just put it, and I'll go ahead to put in my login details. So there'll be a code here for them to be sure you're not a robot. Okay, so type the same code and click on sign in, and it's okay. Say code error. Yeah, I do mistakenly. Okay, let's 2, 7, 3, 6. Okay, so hold on, let me ratify this. Okay guys, this another code they bring here, so I'll just put 1185 and the code. So I'll just click on sign in and say login and complete login. So right now I'm in my dashboard already, so I'll just go ahead to okay, just click on that start. So I'll just go ahead to show us what I have here. I'll just click on my um this my down here, which is my dashboard. Yes, I'll just click on my below it. You see home, the robot, define the my. So as you can see here, I'm having in my balance now, I'm having $9.1. Okay, so the platform I have $110, which I will show you how to activate this $110 in this site. Okay, so this savings nothing in there, because it's what after you have done your calculation, this savings they'll move it to your balance. That's how it works. So right now let's proceed to withdraw. Let's make a live withdrawal from this site. Then once we confirm that the site is paying, I will now go ahead to show us other things. Okay, so I'll just click on this withdrawal button, and they said I have to attach my withdrawal. Okay, that means I've not even linked my address with them, because it's a new something, it's a new site. Okay, so right now for you to withdraw, you choose either TROX or BNB. So I'll just click on TROX 20. Okay, yes, USDT 20. That's just the USDT 20. Then I'll have to put the address here. Then okay, in a quick, let me rush to my Bybit and get the let me rush it to my Bybit and get my TRC20. I'm sure all of us know how to do that. So I'm going to pause it and copy my address so that it won't take more time. Okay. So guys, after copying my TRC20 from my Bybit, I will just go ahead to paste it here. Okay. I'll just go to paste it here, and yeah, this is what I've okay. So once I do that, they say remark. I don't know, there's nothing to be remarked here, so I'll just put my password here. Okay, I'll just put my password here. So once you done putting your password, I think every details is being filled now. So I'll just click on submit. Okay, so once I've submit my, okay, you can see operation successful. I've added my wallet. Yeah, so I'll go back now to click on that withdraw button. So I'll just show you another step now, how to add your wallet address. Okay, so I'll just go here now. As you can see now, my wallet have been linked here already and it's showing here. Say okay, then I'll go to withdraw amount. I'll click on this withdraw amount. Since I'm having 9 USDT, I'm going to put 9.1. I want to withdraw everything. Okay, so others will keep accumulating. And as you can see here, they said what they will be giving me is 8.1. That means they'll be collecting a charge fee of $1. Okay, so I'm withdrawing 9.1. That means I'm expecting 8.1. I'm just going to short because when it drops, let's be hopeful for it. Then next, right now, just click on okay. I'll just put my password here. Okay, so let me confirm this password. So I just put my password right now, and I think everything is set. Okay, yeah, just you make sure you confirm if everything is set. Okay, this is where my balance is before I proceed the withdrawal. Look at 9.1. So another details here which I'll be explaining in this video. So I'll just click on submit right now, and once I see on submit, they say withdrawal time is 5. Okay, 5. Guys, I noticed the withdrawal is by 10 a.m. Okay, every day 10 a.m. So that's why I paused the video. Right now, as you can see, the time here is 10 a.m. Like we have 19 minutes after 10. So let's proceed in the withdrawal aspect. But I just noticed an increment right now. So that's one good thing about this site. Once you're with them, your balance keep increasing. So right now I'm having, before initially it was 9.1, now I'm having 9.6. So let's go ahead to withdraw. So I'll just, since I've linked my address, everything, I'll just go ahead and impute 9.6. Okay, so I'll put my password here, and once I put my password, let me confirm my password to say okay. So I just put 9.6, and remember I told us that, excuse me, sorry. Okay, hold on. So remember I told her that they are collecting charge fee. So I'm withdrawing 9.6. So I'm expecting 8.6. Okay, 8.6 USDT. So I'll just go ahead and click on submit. Okay. So once I click on submit, you see application successful pending review. Okay. So I just click on confirm. And right now, as you can see, my withdrawal here is under review. Okay. So it's under review. So let's hold on for it to pop in. Okay. So that just how to withdraw from this site. And let me show us what I have in my Bybit, because I link it to my Bybit so that in case it drops, you testify along with me. So my having 4.5 USDT. Okay, so when the 8 USDT enter, it should be helping to 12 USDT. Okay, 8.5, that means it will be around 13 or so. So that's it. So right now, let me just show you how this site works as you wait for it to drop. Okay, so I'll just go back to the home page. So once you sign up, I'll show you how to sign up. You will come here, the second icon here that says robot. Okay, so they'll be giving you 100 free USDT for sign up. Okay, they'll give you 100 free USDT for sign up. So you got to read everything here. So once you come here, you click on okay. Here is if you've I made a deposit of 5 USDT, and if you make a deposit of 5 USDT, you'll be getting 8 USDT after 10 hours, not 24 hours. After 10 hours, they'll give you 10 USDT. So I'll show you how the plan works. So then come to this find button right now. So once you come to this find button here, so once you come to it, you'll be seeing check-in. Always click on this check-in. Once you click on this check-in and click on this pocket, you understand, there will be a reward for you. Okay, so let's come to this check-in. Once you come to this check-in right now, you are able to get some free USDT by doing this daily check-in. Okay, so you just click on okay. Here you see that for free user you'll be getting $1 every single day for your check-in. But if you deposit like I did, I deposit 5 USDT, you'll be getting um dollars every single day. You understand? Depending on how much you deposit. If you deposit, the more you deposit, the more you keep increase. Like if you deposit 10 USDT, you'll be getting 3 USDT for check-in every day. So that's how this site works. So let me just click on this check-in right now. As you can see here, I've earned 2 USDT for free. Okay, I'll just click on close. So I would have even done this before we join, so would have added to my money also, but no problem. So I can still withdraw the next day. So that's how you go about the check-in. Okay, then this packet ability, and then just click on it and they will be gifting you some items like some cents. Okay, so this is it. I have like 0.7 USDT from here, so it will be added to my balance right now. Let me just go back to my dashboard. As you can see here, I'm having one 113 USDT right now. So what this thing does is, after this is what the platform gives you after the duration of hours that the work for you to get paid, they will move your balance down to this point. Okay, so right now I'm having 113 dollars. Okay, so after 8 hours they'll be involving my balance here. That's how it was. Okay, so that's how the site was. Then they'll be giving you $100 sign off bonus. So what you just have to do is just to click on checking and increase your balance every single day, and that's how it was. So and that way you can earn from this site is by referring. Just click on this team here. Once you click on team, that's why you'll be seeing your referral link, and you can go ahead to copy your referral link and share to your friends, guys. I think there's a commission for that also. So in the home page, once you make a deposit, like if you want to deposit from this site, you click on this start at the home page. Okay, it will take you to this point where you see once you invest 5 USDT from here, you'll be earning 8 USDT from this site for 24 hours. Okay, so you'll be earning 8 USDT from here, like $8 for investing $5 after 8 hours, and you can withdraw everything straight to your wallet, which is 0.8 hours. So in the next 10 hours is it will give you a total of 8 USDT. Meanwhile, you deposited only 5 USDT. Okay, so you just go ahead and click on share and to start um generating money for you. So once you if you invest, if you should invest 10 USDT here, okay, they will give you, you'll be earning 0.22 every hour, which after 24 hours you'll be earning $15, and you can withdraw everything straight to your bank account, to your wallet account. Then if you go to invest 20 USDT here, the same process, you'll be earning 30 USDT in after. So guys, that's it for the investment plan. Okay, then if you wish not to invest, you can be earning for free from this site. You'll be earning at least $1 every single day, and the minimum withdrawal here is $5. Okay, so let's proceed to my withdrawal. Let me go to the withdrawal history. Let's see if it has been processed. Okay, I'll just click on this record here, and they said reviewed. That means it should have been, they should have sent it to my Bybit. So let me go to my Bybit right now and refresh the page. Let me see if it has dropped. Okay, but if it haven't, then I'll need to pause the video and show us the when it drops. Okay, so let me go ahead to refresh this page. Okay, so right now it haven't dropped, like my USDT is here on 4.5. All right, so we'll just hold on and I'll pause this video. Once it drops, I will let us know. Okay, guys, checking my withdrawal history right now, I can see, let me click on this record over here. So I can see this is the review. There's no more in review. Submit. There's no more in submit. So succeed. Then succeed. Look at it now. Right now, the withdrawal have been processed. Like it can be approved. So I'll just go to my Bybit right now, and boom, I can see 13 USDT over here. That means the withdrawal have actually dropped. Okay, so my withdrawal of, okay, let me go to my fundings right now and let me see the history. Okay, so this is my USDT right now, and as you can see the thing just popping. So it was 4 USDT before, additional 8, 4.5, additional 8.5, that's what got to 13 USDT. So right now you've confirmed that the site pays, guys. The site pays, and you can also as well jump to it right now and start making your earnings. Okay, so guys, if you really find value in this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you've not, and see you guys in my next video, guys.